Guys, welcome back to my channel. I have come up with a new topic, that is how to identify your relationship is healthy or not. In fact, you can take it as signs of a healthy relationship. So what is a relationship? A relationship is the bonding between two partners, or it may be a bonding between family members, between friends. So this is a kind of relationship. So now, how to understand your relationship is healthy or not, or it's kind of abusive. So healthy relationship has few things that one needs to understand. If you get these things matching to your relationship, you can consider your relationship as healthy relationship. First of all, the bonding between two partners, whoever it is, the bonding would be very much touchy. The bonding would be very understanding. Like touchy by, I mean that the one and the other partner should be connected to each other, to share their problems, to share their life, to share their moments, how they, and to share their secrets. Of course, when you feel it's you can depend on the other person and you decide to share your secrets, share your things. Sometimes people love to share their life with them. Of course, this concludes sharing your life with the person, and this way you can be with each other for more of time you can spend together, and thus this relationship works. So this is one sign of healthy relationship, and there you can understand that you need each other, you care for each other, and you both want each other in your life. So my next point is, try to be each other's codependent. Like, try to be for each other, that you are, if you have that feeling that you are incomplete with the other person, there is a sign that it's a healthy relationship. Because a relationship doesn't work when you are not dependent on that person in certain things. Even though you need to be strong in life, but you have to be dependent in some kind of thing, because the bondage doesn't form in that way. So third point is, try to spend few moments in a week or in a month. Try to have some moments with each other which you can cherish now and then, the moments you can enjoy. And in your later life, the moments you sit together and you can understand, you can talk about that moment that you have spent together and you have enjoyed a lot, and you have cherished those moments later on, now also. So this way you need to have very good time with each other. Next thing is, try to build a trusted relationship. If you find that your relationship is trustworthy, if the person, you can see that he is willing to share his life, his career, like he's sharing his secrets or his family matters, is trying to share with you. So this is a good sign that yes, that person wants a very good relation with you, and this is in terms is a healthy sign of healthy relationship. So after that, the thing is, next comes very much, you both should have a very cordial feeling for each other. Whatever moment comes, be it happy, be it sad, try to be each other's best friend more than partners. If you try to be each other's best friend, that would be very compatible thing, and relationship grows very strong. So my next point is, try to be each other's guide, friend, philosopher, everything that brings the relation charm in the relationship. This relationship lasts long. Because of this thing, you both have to be each other's friend, philosopher, and guide. Because we don't need always a lover, we need philosopher also, we need guide, we need someone to care. So of course these things should be in your relationship, and if you find these things are there, your relationship is a healthy one. And my last point is try to be understanding to each other. If you find your partner is understanding to with you, if you are talking something to him and he is ready to listen to your words patiently, then you have to understand that this is the partner who cares for you and the relationship is healthy. So now it's your turn. You have to be the same as I have given you points. You have to be understanding, cordial to your partner as well. If the person needs you, whenever he needs you, have to be available. You have to, even if you have a busy schedule or your busy life, still you have to manage time for him to show your cordial, your love, your care for him. So the true bondage of a healthy relationship shows the availability and patience for each other, the act of listening to each other, the act of cooperating with each other in bad times, and enjoying the good moments with each other. All of this comprises a healthy relationship. So guys, I hope this was clear to you. So I will be ending my video here and hope to come up with some new topic that would help you in your relationships and in your life, as I have made this blog of my YouTube channel to motivate people that I really intend to from my childhood only. So I hope this was helpful to you, and you can also comment me on how do you strengthen your relationships and what you would suggest from your side, that what things should be followed to have a healthy relationship. Here I have given you some signs, and of course you can comment that are your relationships going well, so how do you manage with it. So thank you friends, bye bye, love you.